Hello everyone, welcome to Healthcare Medical Equipments. This is my new video which is about microcontroller based IFT unit which is right here, and I'm going to tell you its program, its function, and what is IFT in physiotherapy treatment. So firstly let me tell you what is IFT in physiotherapy treatment. The basic principle of interfacial therapy is to utilize the significant psychological effects of low frequency electrical stimulation of nerves without the associated painful and somewhat unpleasant side effects sometimes associated with low frequency stimulation is called IFT in physiotherapy treatment. So this is IFT machine which is right here, and there's a 70 programs inbuilt in this machine. Intensity 1 to 99 mA, timer 1 to 99 minutes, and this is mode selector button, this is timing and program selector buttons, and start and stop button. So on the first stage, when you will start the machine, you will see there's a written manual, so you can select timing and hertz as per your requirement on the first stage. So let me show you the programs inbuilt which is inbuilt in this machine. So first, second, you can see all the programs. So there's this total 70 programs inbuilt, and you will see as you will increase the program, you can change the you will change the program, you will see the hertz and the timing and pole all will also increase. So now let me tell you what is IFT machine uses. So unlike TENS machine which delivers intermittent pulse to stimulate surface nerves and block the pain signal, IFT machine deliver a continuous stimulation deep into the affected tissue. The stimulation both blocks pain and reduces swelling and inflammation which can cause pain. So now let me tell you about accessories. So you will get 1 year replacement warranty and one warranty card, 1 gel bottle, 4 electrodes, 2 blue, 2 red, 4 wires, 2 red, 2 black, 1 velcro, 1 man cord, and 1 bag with this machine. Now let me give you a short demo. Let me select the hertz and timing of this machine. So let me set the timing and hertz of this machine so I can give you a demo. So I have set the timing, hertz, and intensity. Now let me check. So this is how it's work. You can increase the timing, intensity, hertz as per your requirement. This is very easy to use. This machine used for clinical purpose, and we manufacture all the electrotherapy equipments. As you can see here, there's a 1 year replacement warranty available on this machine. For further information, you can contact us on 9905 85651 and 83750 25564.